Hi, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm Marna, and I'm dyslexic. So, when I made my Cruella wig, I was so careful to get the hair right. I asked Darren 3 times, is this correct? And then I sewed it down, and I got it all done, and I made my other wig, and I didn't even think about it. And I got up to show it to you, and I sat it on the table, and I looked at Darren, and I had this horrified look. It's backwards. I'm sure some of you noticed. Thanks for being kind and not saying anything. But this is why. I took half of the wig for her and half of the wig for me, and I thought we'd be cute wearing them, not even thinking about one would be backwards. Anyway, I want to thank Tammy Powley from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley for the fun we are having making these characters on our dolls. This one was not easy for either of us. We really jumped through some hoops, and the votes were close. Thank you. Tammy's going to tell you today who won the challenge that we put out to one another, and tell you a little bit more about that. I'm going to tell you about the next collab challenge where Tammy and I will once again go head to head, hoping that you will vote for us when we do our Maleficent dolls. This is the doll that I'll be using. We use Blythe dolls. However, when we ask you to do the challenge, also creating dolls in that character, you can use any kind of doll you would like. Anything. We don't care. Make a doll. Make a doll out of yarn. We don't care. We just want you to participate because it's fun. And that's why we do all of this. Maleficent dolls, we will be doing using the hashtag #MeanMaleficent. Thank you, Darren, for making these stands. I absolutely love them. And we'll all use that hashtag so that it will create a folder on YouTube, and then each of us can go to that folder and see all of the participants in the Maleficent Doll Challenge. We want to give you a heads up, in December, start thinking we are going to be doing Cindy Lou Who. And we wanted to give you a heads up so you can decide on a doll and the style you want to do, etc. Some of these take quite a while. That's why we're taking almost 2 months, with this one being November 12th. Thank you so much for participating and watching our videos, leaving comments, voting, and joining in on these challenges. Honest to God, it means a lot, and it's just fun to interact with the rest of the doll community on YouTube. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.